Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland, from the Drop Zone on 14th Street with your OC Airshow 2023 preview. This year's shows will be on Saturday, June 10th and Sunday, June 11th. Shows start around 11:30 a.m. and last until about 3 p.m. The shows are free to the public, but premium seating packages are available, and we'll go over them. But first, let's not waste any time and get straight to the performer lineup while enjoying some footage from last year's shows, caught right here on Daniel Kester's Coast. The shows kick off with a pair of American flag-flying parajumpers and the playing of our national anthem. And now for the performer lineup: F-35 Lightning II Demo Team, F-18 Rhino Demo Team, A-10 Thunderbolt, Red Bull Air Force, Air Force Heritage Flight, Navy Legacy Flight, E-2C Hawkeye, L-39 Cold War Era Jet Demo, and a whole lot more. Including the headline act with the F-16 Fighting Falcon, U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds. For those premium seating packages, Drop Zone Beach includes restrooms and professional narration, $35 per person. Sandboxes, a private 10 by 12 foot viewing area, including restrooms and food and beverage stands, $49.75 per person. Flightline Club VIP, beach tent dining, including a catered lunch and beverage bar, $199 per person. And VIP Skybox, reserved seating with panoramic view, including a premium catered lunch with soft drinks, water, beer and wine included, $279 per person. So mark June 10th and 11th on your calendar and enjoy the show and relive it here on Daniel Kester's Coast.